End of support will happen on the 14th of October 2025. So that's the last day that we'll support Windows 10. And I think a lot of channel partners still don't realize the implication of that. It's a huge thing for our industry. There are literally millions of devices out there that are not running Windows 11 today. The hardware requirements for 11 are much more stringent. And so older devices will not go to Windows 11. So that we've built Windows 11 to be much, much more secure, our securest ever operating system. And so that requires certain hardware requirements that just don't exist on older devices. What partners need to remember is the challenges they had during COVID getting devices. Now, the scale of that challenge during those years is basically the same problem we've got today with Windows 10. There's a similar number of devices are going to be needed that we saw during COVID, and we all saw the supply challenges that everybody faced, and we don't want to be in that position again. So the opportunity now is to plan early, talk to your customers as soon as you can, and start to build that plan for how you're going to get customers to move and what your pipeline looks like, so that people like Dicker Data can actually get the right devices at the right time for the customers.
They need to sort of map out that journey. So going through advising on device selection, and then talking to them about evaluation, and then getting through to deployment. And that's where Dicker Data can really assist with our team that can help with image loads and with then modern deployments. We have collateral marketing material we have available, and training resources too for sales enablement to work with them on a series of 3 campaigns that we can then enable them to go out and deliver as customer-facing decks that they can use when they're having their monthly calls with their customer base. The message now is really, it's time to educate your customers around the Windows 10 end of support timeframe, and work with those customers to uncover any devices that need to be refreshed, and act soon so that we avoid that potential for the supply chain challenges that we may face next year.